Transform your WooCommerce store into a visual delight and guide your customers to their perfect product with the power of WordPress color swatches. First things first, head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, and then click on Add New. In the search bar, type in Product Options. You'll want to look for a plugin that specifically mentions adding color swatches. There are several excellent options available. So take a moment to browse the results and choose one that has good reviews and a substantial number of active installations. Once you've found the right plugin, click Install Now. And after it's installed, click Activate. Activating the plugin makes its features available for use on your website. Now, let's bring these swatches to life. Go to WooCommerce and then click on Products. You'll want to either edit an existing product or create a new one. Scroll down to the Product Data section, and if your product is variable, you'll see options like Attributes. This is where we'll set up our variations. Click on the Attributes tab here. You can add a new attribute, for example, color. You'll then want to add terms for each color you offer. Think reds, blues, greens, black, white, and so on. Crucially, make sure to check the box that says Used for Variations. Then, navigate to the Variations tab. You have the option to create variations manually or generate them from your attributes. Clicking Generate Variations will create a variation for every possible combination of your attributes now. For each individual variation, you'll see an option to visually represent it. This is where you'll select the color swatch you want to display for that specific variation. You can often choose from predefined colors or even upload custom images for more complex patterns. Once you've assigned your swatches to each variation, don't forget to click Update or Publish to save your changes. And there you have it. Your product pages will now showcase beautiful, clickable color swatches, making it incredibly easy for your customers to visualize their choices and choose the perfect product with confidence.